80 animals.
B.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you doing today? I'm doing great. You're learning a lot about animals. This time, we will learn about an insect, the bee. This is a bee. It is yellow and black. We will begin with some words. Are you ready?
Hive. This is a hive. It's a bee's house. A lot of bees live in it. Bees produce honey in the hive. Nectar. What is the bee carrying? The bee is carrying nectar. Nectar is a sweet liquid in flowers. Flowers produce it. The bee will take the nectar into its hive. Then it will produce honey with the nectar. Pollen. The small yellow things over the flower is pollen. Pollen is a small powder produced by flowers. When it goes to other flowers, it will produce seeds of the flower.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Nectar. Pollen. Hive.
It's time to read a story. After you read, you'll take a quiz.
What insect makes honey? A bee makes honey. A bee leaves its hive and flies to a flower. It gathers nectar from the flower. It flies back to its hive. Its family and friends are in the hive. Bees in the hive make honey with the nectar. People eat honey thanks to bees. A bee is useful for more than just honey. While a bee is on a flower, pollen from the flowers is on the bee's hair. The bee flies to another flower for nectar. The pollen is carried to another flower by the bee. Later, the flower becomes a fruit, a seed, or a nut. We eat fruit, grains, vegetables, or nuts thanks to bees. Where does a bee get nectar? From a flower. From a tree. What does the bee make? Honey. Nectar. What is true about bees? Bees live in flowers. Bees carry pollen from one flower to another.
How was the class today? Was it easy or hard? That's all for now. I will see you next time. Goodbye.